Oh, this is my nephew, by the way. I'm watching him today, and he loves to film with me. So here is the full page. Look how cute. I have the link in the description below along with the instructions. Don't be sharing the link to other people. They can visit this video and get the link themselves. And then this is 2 pages per sheet. And then I even made washi tape. Obviously it's not sticky if you print it on normal paper, but I hate just having so many washi tapes and then you like 1 or 2 of them. So I like to make my own. And then I love all of them. And you can get these printed at Staples for like 25 cents a sheet versus buying a thing of washi tape that you'll probably use one time for $5 to $20. And then this is 2 pages per sheet if you have a smaller notebook. I have a B5, so I tend to use the bigger version of everything, but sometimes I do use a smaller version. So make sure you subscribe for more printables and plan with me's that are coming, and I even post things about natural beauty care and lotion and stuff. So I will see you next time. Say bye-bye.
I'm going to show you 2 simple fall printables. It's not like a monthly spread or anything. This is just like it's fall, I'm excited, and I used my full page of washi tape. I wanted to use them all, so I figured why not just use the entire page. First, I drew a simple leaf on the back. I cut it out, and then I traced it onto the paper, so I had my guide, and then I penciled in my "after all, it's fall" quote, and then I filled it in with my Tombow small tip black brush pen and a Micron 03 I used for a little of the detail. All the products I used are in the description box. There's a link to Amazon, and I do make a small profit, but the price does not increase for you, so I would appreciate your support if you're buying the products anyways. So after I filled it in, I erased everything with my normal white eraser, nothing fancy, and then I taped it down with my AdTech crafter's tape. If you don't have this crafter's tape, it is amazing. It works instant and it is really, really strong. And I felt like the leaf needed something at the bottom, so I added the crosses. Now for my second spread, I made my fall bucket list. I'm pretty happy with how this came out. I used my muted Tombow Dual Brush pens. So that's also in the description box. I love these colors together. I love the muted palette. I definitely pick it up very often. I used the leftover washi tape from the first spread. I had one left over that I had to cut off, and it worked out perfect because I could use it for this second spread. And then I cut up all the little stickers, and I honestly used almost every single sticker that was on my printable. So this is pretty much everything. I used all of them besides like a little flower and one other pumpkin maybe. Oh, and a croissant I didn't use, but everything else I used. And I associated like the acorn with Sims Park because the acorn reminds me of the local park that I like to go to because there's lots of acorns there. So it's just fun to like look at things and think of how you interpret the image. For the couch, you could just put "to snuggle up with my pups on my couch." So yeah, can really have fun with it. I used 947, 26, and 158 from the Muted palette. Sorry, it was upside down. I'm loving this fall bucket list. It is very simple. I made sure to include a fall festival. I didn't go to one last year, so I want to make a point to go to one this year. I did apple picking, but realistically, I'm in Florida and we don't apple pick here. But I thought it was fun to write it down since I have the apples. Make sure to hashtag Sunflower Child Doodles on Instagram if you use any of my free printables or recreate any of my spreads. I would love to see them. I have so much fun on Instagram. At first I thought I was only going to be on YouTube, and then I branched out to Instagram, and it's just so fun to converse with everyone and get inspired, and hopefully I can inspire other people. Here are the only 3 stickers that I did not use in the spread. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed.